Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the charger closely, because the serial is often near small printed text. Use a bright light and magnifier or your phone camera to reveal faint markings. Make sure the cable and brick are clean so text isn't hidden. Once done, flip the charger to examine all faces, top, bottom, and where the prongs or USB ports sit, because Apple sometimes prints serials on an edge. If you have multiple adapters, keep them separate so you don't mix up identifiers. Now focus on the detailed reading. Look for alphanumeric strings that follow model numbers such as followed by digits, because serials often accompany those codes. You may need to tilt the charger under angled light or use your phone's macro mode to capture embossed or laser-etched text. Once you photograph it, zoom in to read tiny characters. Make sure to note every letter and number exactly, since O, 0, I, and 1 can look similar. If nothing shows, continue to the cable and connector ends. Finish by checking the cable near the connector and the strain relief. Apple sometimes prints part codes there, and the original box or receipt often lists the serial. Once you've recorded any alphanumeric strings, compare them to packaging and match model numbers to be sure you have the correct charger identifier. If the serial is unreadable or missing, contact Apple support with purchase proof. Make sure to explain where you looked, since that speeds verification. One troubleshooting tip: if text is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.